Welcome back to Ingenious Accounts World. Today we are going to learn about accounting equation. What is an accounting equation and how can we form an accounting equation? What is an accounting equation? An equation that represents the relationship between the assets and liabilities of a business. That is accounting equation. It is an equation and it represents the relationship between the assets and liabilities of a business. And what is that relationship or what is the equation? We are not writing the equation now. We can form it by ourselves. We know that we are recording the business transactions in the double entry system of accounting, which is based on dual aspect concept. And as per the dual aspect concept, we are recording each and every transaction in a minimum of two accounts. One account is debited and another one is credited, and for the same amount. For every transaction, debit amount is equal to credit amount. So, if we are preparing a statement of all the account balances, we can say that total of the debit side must be equal to total of credit side, because for each and every transaction, debit amount is equal to credit amount. If we are preparing all the statement of all the account balances, then which are these accounts? The different categories of accounts for a business are assets, liabilities, capital, revenues and expenses. These are the different categories of accounts for a business. And the difference between revenues and expenses are known as profit or loss. If the revenues are more than expenses, we can say that it is profit. And if the expenses are more than revenues, we can say that the business is in loss. And who will be benefited by the profit of a business? The proprietor. If he is benefited by the profit, he should suffer the loss also. Then we can adjust this profit or loss to his account. To his account means to the capital account. We can add the profit to the capital account and deduct the loss from the same capital account. Okay, after this adjustment, we will have three categories of accounts: assets, liabilities and capital. Here, assets will always show a debit balance, because as per the rule, that is assets increase debit. Whenever we are purchasing an asset, we are debiting the assets account. Then it will always show a debit balance. But accounts on liabilities will show a credit balance. Whenever we are incurring a liability, we are crediting the liability account. As per the rule, that is liabilities increase credit. Therefore, accounts of liabilities will always show a credit balance. Capital is also a liability and it will also show a credit balance. Previously, we have mentioned that if we are preparing a statement of all the account balances, total of the debit side must be equal to total of credit side. Then here we can write assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. That is total of debit side is equal to total of credit side. And this itself is the accounting equation. Then our accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. This equation is also known as balance sheet equation, because these assets, liabilities and capital are the components of a balance sheet. Then we can say that the accounting equation represents the relationship between the components of a balance sheet, and so it is also known as balance sheet equation. Okay, that's all about accounting equation. Now we can solve the problems relating to the accounting equation in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.